Welcome students. You might have read MSc Semester 3 Syllabus of Environmental Science titled Water Treatment and Supply. This paper is related with the quality, quantity and various treatments of water and distribution system. You must be familiar with question pattern of this paper. Once again, I would like to give information about it. This paper contains 4 units with three different sorry three different parts in each unit. From each unit, one long question carrying 16 marks, two short questions carrying 8 marks, and one compulsory question carrying 4 marks will be asked in final examination. Now, look at unit number 1. This unit is about quality, quantity, and sources of water. You can see here. We must know the importance of water treatment and supply. So, why water treatment is necessary? Water treatment is important because water contains various physical, chemical, and biological impurities which may affect health of people. So, for removal of contaminants and undesirable impurities and to make water fit for drinking and irrigation purposes, water treatment is required. Next, what are the essentials of supply of water? Provision of potable water. You must be knowing what is potable water. The water which is suitable for drinking is called as the potable water. So, provision of potable water is perhaps the most vital thing for the people. People depend on safe water for drinking, cooking, washing, and other domestic needs. So, supply of clean and safe water is essential for people. Now, what is wholesome water? Wholesome water is that type of water which is not chemically pure but it does not contain anything which can be harmful to human health. In other words, the water which is free from all poisonous substances and contamination and which is fit to use for drinking, cooking, food preparation or washing without any potential danger to the human health and most importantly meets the standard of regulation is called as wholesome water. Now, what are the different reasons for the analysis of water? Kindly note down following reasons for the analysis of water. Number 1, we need to understand water quality in order to protect our health and also the health of ecosystems. Second, to identify and quantify the physical, chemical, and biological components and properties of water samples. Number 3, results of analysis of water provides information that can be used to make decisions. And number 4, to check whether the water quality is in compliance with the standards and hence suitable or not suitable for the different purposes. Thanks.